Octane versus Dominus, a question that has plagued the Rocket League community for years. Luckily, I found a 100% scientifically valid, no BS, legit method to definitively prove which one is better. So, what's my testing methodology? First, I took the cars for a ride to see how they'd flick. First, we're going for a 90-degree flick. There it is. Beautiful. Let's see how fast that was. 52 miles an hour. Look at that beauty. Here's a front flick. Fantastic flick there. Let's see, that's a 52. Even across the board there. And onto the Dominus now. 90-degree flick. That's quite a funky one. 50 miles an hour. But it looked way cooler. So we definitely need to factor in funky points for that. And the forward flick as well now. 55 miles an hour. Okay, so what did that test prove? That both the cars can flick the ball into the goal at roughly the same speeds, but the Dominus can look slightly funky when doing it. So if you want style points, use the Dominus. Otherwise, they're the same. Okay, so what's for test 2? So I was originally going to take 10 shots with each car from this Power Shot training pack and compare the speeds, but I really can't be bothered, so I've just made a compilation here of me taking the 10 shots, and then you can look at them and watch them and see which one looks nicer, I guess. They all go in the target. I hit all 10 shots. They all look fine. So, yeah, here you go. Damn, look at that editing. Okay, so I've completed the Octane part of it. Here's the Dominus. There's a shot. Another shot. You know what, I'm just going to stop speaking because I don't think I'm adding anything. You know what? I'm not going to stop speaking. I'm going to keep speaking. Because if you're watching this, you're absolutely not here for the high level plays. You know, the only reason you're still here is because of the commentary. So I'm going to have to keep speaking, otherwise I'm going to lose any viewers. There we go, 100% on that. Let's see what the final test is. I like to call this test, man spends way too long trying to hit a target a bunch of times. So I just thought, how many can I get in a row? I'm doing okay here still. Can I get this one? No. So, 4, I guess, with that one. Here's the Dominus. Same thing. Although I think the spawns here might be a little bit easier. So this possibly is a bias. It's definitely a bias test. There's absolutely no validity to this. That's the same spawn twice. They're all on the ground, so there's no air. Much easier when it's on the ground. There we go, I missed the first one in the air. So 5. So what we learned from this? Absolutely nothing.